All right, I've got to show you probably the best house in all of Roseburg. This thing is amazing. There is no cost spared in this house. I mean, we're out in this private community. River is just right over there. And I mean, this place is absolutely phenomenal. Check it out behind me. We got back there is plenty of space for RV, boat parking, whatever you got. 5 acres, perfect for a horse. If you have a couple horses, and we'll check that out here in a minute. But one of the first things I'm going to show you is look at this brick wall. This circles around the whole property. Spectacular. I mean, this is just the beginning of it. Stamped concrete in the front, circular driveway over there. Then you got these huge oversized front wood garage doors. I mean, look at those things. Those are amazing. It's all a single story home. Look, check that out. Perfect for just hanging out here. You got well landscaped. I mean, professionally landscaped yard. Completely amazing. So peaceful out here. And you got a palm tree right behind me. Look at that. It's crazy. So I am going to give you a little taste of what this house is really like. There is nothing spared in this house. So let's check it out. Okay.